Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a sock monkey. First things first, let's take a quick look at the things that you will need. You'll need socks, toy stuffing, googly eyes, needle and thread, scissors, and fabric glue. First, take your socks and cut them in half. This will be used for the body of the monkey. Fill it with stuffing and stitch it around the opening. Do the same with a varying color for the head of the monkey. Now stitch the body and head together. Take another sock and cut it into four. This will be used for the arms and the legs. Using the toe of the socks, make the ears. Finally, the tail. Last, you can either create eyes using a piece of sock, or you can just add on the googly eyes, whichever works for you. Ta-da! And there you have it, your very own sock monkey. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.